most of the things that affect us in life, such as diseases, have some sort of genetic component as well as an environmental component. And so my research is basic research getting at that question.
I study the evolution of development, so I'm interested in how evolution changes developmental programs to give rise to different morphologies in the fruit fly, Drosophila.
Basically, I'm interested in understanding how and why individuals from different populations have differences in complex traits. So the two phenotypes that I'm mostly interested in are body size and development time, and fruit flies and blowflies.
I study pea aphids. Aphids are those little soft-bodied insects that everybody can find in their gardens. And usually the aphids don't have wings, but if they become crowded, they produce daughters that have wings and can fly away. So they're also an important model organism for understanding how you can have two different morphologies from the same kind of individual, because that can inform a whole host of biological questions that affect humans.
How does the genome deploy during development to give rise to certain structures in an organism? Ultimately, we learn a lot by studying questions like this, questions about development, but also about evolution. So I think that the work and the results from the questions that we answer have very broad-ranging implications. I'm co-advised by Sergey Nuzhdin and Michelle Arbeitman. For me, it's kind of the best of both possible worlds. I have two advisors, both of whom are great.
Sergey's a great mentor. He's wonderful at fostering independence, and independence is what schools are looking for when they're hiring. 5 postdoctoral researchers in the lab, and 4 of us maybe got jobs this year, which is really huge considering the current economy.
I recently accepted a position at the University of Oklahoma in the Department of Zoology.
I'll be leaving in 1 month to go to the University of Nebraska at Lincoln, where I'll be an assistant professor in the School of Biological Sciences.
In August, I will start as an assistant professor in the entomology department at Texas A&M as a forensic molecular biologist. There's just something unique about USC and how people interact. It's something that I will miss.
It's not unusual for 4 people or 3 or 4 people from a single department to find jobs in the same academic year, but it's certainly nice that 4 people did. I think it speaks in some part to the training that postdoctoral associates and postdoctoral fellows receive in molecular and computational biology.